This video guide is about removing the adware type program that is called DaemonLogoffCompile. DaemonLogoffCompile is the adware type program which now attacks many Mac computers all over the world. This particular adware is the part of the adload adware family. The problem with this application is that it often gets spread through integration with some free applications. In most of the cases, people download and install it pretty unintentionally. So if you have discovered this program DaemonLogoffCompile to be the part of your computer, you should immediately undertake the measures and get rid of this ransomware as soon as you can. To do that, you need to open your Finder, go to Applications, find this program called DaemonLogoffCompile, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Now, this should be sufficient enough, but you might also need to research your available Safari extensions by going to Preferences, some extensions. If you find any related browser extensions that could be associated with this adware, get rid of them too. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other adware type threats fully from your Mac computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but in my case it's the premium license. The trial version, however, has got certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program would begin researching your computer, and at the end of the scan you would see the summary of all the threads which were revealed during the scan. The summary of threads will show you the information about all these threads, about their exact location on your computer. So based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually by going to those locations, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium, because premium license of Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threads automatically, and it will also help you to establish other threads which could be concealed deep in your computer. And remember that premium license works as antivirus. It will help you to protect your Mac ahead of time from all kinds of adware or malware attacks.